Hello everyone! Welcome to Math Corner. In this video, we will divide fraction by whole number. Let us begin. Example number 1, 1 over 5 divided by 4. To divide this, we will convert whole number to a fraction by writing 1 as the denominator. We have 1 over 5 divided by 4 over 1. To divide fractions, we will multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. We have 1 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 4. Let us multiply the numerators and the denominators. 1 times 1 is equal to 1 over 5 times 4 equals 20. Since 1 over 20 is already expressed in lowest term, 1 over 5 divided by 4 equals 1 over 20. Example number 2, 4 over 7 divided by 6. Again, let us convert whole number to a fraction by writing 1 as the denominator. 4 over 7 divided by 6 over 1. Let us multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. We have 4 over 7 multiplied by 1 over 6. Let us multiply the numerators and the denominators. 4 times 1 is equal to 4 over 7 times 6 is equal to 42. Let us reduce 4 over 42 to lowest term. Let us divide the numerator and the denominator by 2 since 2 is the greatest common factor. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 over 42 divided by 2 equals 21. 4 over 7 divided by 6 equals 2 over 21. And that is how to divide fraction by whole number. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.